is Sai Tejaswani of registration number 18BC83 from slot A1 of serial number 13. I am here to present my digital assignment 1 of computer organization and architecture. I have chosen RX 2040 microcontroller from Renesas. Draw the clear block diagram of microprocessor, microcontroller or IP core selected. This is the block diagram of RX 2040. This is drawn using the draw.io tool. Here you can see the block diagram of microcontroller selected. Give the internal diagram of each and every block. These are the internal block diagrams of RX 2040. Coming to the second question. Provide the instruction set of the microprocessing element with clock cycle, memory required, flags, affected types of instruction based on addressing modes. The instruction set of RX 2040 with OP code and function is mentioned below. These are the instruction set operations, and floating point operation instructions are also mentioned. Data transfer instruction, its corresponding functions, bit manipulation instructions, string manipulation instructions, system manipulation instructions, and DSP instructions are all mentioned below. Coming to the third question, explain microprocessing element architecture. This is Harvard architecture with 5-stage pipeline ARM organization. Here you can see the architecture of microprocessing element. The RX CPU core is exclusive to Renesas and employs a CISC architecture that enables more compact code and faster operation refinements such as relocation of frequently used instructions, improved instruction addressing, and 3-operand format contribute to higher code efficiency. Speed is increased through 5-stage pipeline. Harvard architecture and out-of-order completion combined with speed up of basic instructions and the integration of MAC unit and FPU. The RX CPU core is compact, but it delivers powerful 32-bit class operation performance with 16-bit class code size. Coming to the fourth question, correlate the microprocessing element architecture with architectures discussed in Module 1. Here you can see the characteristics of both Harvard architecture and CISC. The characteristics of CISC architecture are complex instruction, hence complex instruction decoding. Instructions are larger than one word size. Instruction may take more than single clock cycle to get executed. Less number of general purpose register as operation get performed in memory itself. And complex addressing modes and mode data types. Coming to the Harvard architecture, there is no need to make any two memory share characteristics. In particular, the word with timing, implementation technology, and memory address structure can differ. In some systems, instructions for pre-programmed tasks can be stored in read-only memory, while data memory generally requires read-write memory. In some systems, there is much more instruction memory than data memory, so instruction addresses are wider than data addresses. Elaborate register organization of microprocessing element. There are 43 general registers including 28 input-output registers and 2 registers per channel. Here you can see the general purpose register, control register, and DSP instructions register. Input-output register address. Registers are listed from lower allocation addresses. These are classified according to module symbols. Number of access cycles indicates the number of cycles based on the specified reference clock. Among the internal input-output register areas, addresses not listed in the list of registers are reserved. Reserved addresses must not be accessed. Do not access these addresses, otherwise the operation when accessing these bits subsequent operation cannot be guaranteed. These are some important points on writing input-output register. There are 16 32-bit general purpose register and 10 32-bit registers of control unit and 2 72-bit registers of the accumulator. Coming to the sixth question, explain the type of algorithm used for signed or unsigned calculations, that is addition, multiplication, etc. For the multiplication, this is the algorithm used. This also have drawn in the draw type wood tool. Here you can see the block diagram of RX24T multiplication algorithm. In coming to the algorithm of the addition and subtraction, can be seen now. This also is drawn using the draw.io tool. Here you can see the algorithm which is used in RX24T to perform addition and subtraction. Coming to the seventh question, find what type of control logic unit used and correlate its performance with type of control unit in module 3 in the COA syllabus. Control unit directs the operation of other units by providing timing and control signals, and these are managed by the control unit. It directs the flow of data between the CPU and other devices. Coming to the maximum operating frequency, it is 120 MHz and on-chip memory frequency is 1 MB flash and 640 kilobytes. These are some data related to the control logic unit. Microprogram control unit of RX24T. The control signals associated with the operations are stored in special memory units inaccessible by the programmer as control words. Control signals are generated by a programmer similar to machine language programs. And this is the block diagram you can see of the control unit. Coming to the eighth question, explain the memory management system in the processing element selected. List its addressing capabilities, memory mapping technique followed. Find the advantage of memory design and management techniques over the concept given in the module 4 COA syllabus. Data arrangement register. The least significant bit is the rightmost bit while the most significant bit is the leftmost bit. These are the data arrangement in registers in RX2040 microcontroller. Coming to the RX2040 memory organization, it is divided into program memory and data. Memory is used for permanent saving program behind executed, while data memory is used for temporarily storing and keeping immediate results and variables. There are 11 types of addressing modes: immediate register, direct register, indirect register, relative, post increment register, indirect, pre decrement register, indirect, indexed register, indirect, control register, direct, PSW direct, program counter, relative, accumulator, direct. This you can see its applications, and there are many other also. These are the important 11 addressing modes. And coming to the ninth question, elaborate the pipeline and parallel processing capabilities of unit and hazard management technique. RX24T uses RxVT CPU core To enhance the pipeline processing of the RxV2 core beyond that of RxV1 core, the execution stage and memory access stage have been configured to enable parallel execution of floating point operation. This allows integer operation instruction and FPU instruction or a memory access and the FPU instruction to be executed at the same time. And coming to the hazard management technique, pipelining, superscalar and simultaneous multi-threading. And first we have to identify the hazard, and then step to assess. When an hazard has been distinguished, a hazard appraisal ought to be directed. A hazard evaluation includes inspecting the qualities of the dangerous manual assignment to survey whether the power, developments and stances embraced by the specialist increment the danger of MSD. Step 3. Control. The methods of controlling dangers are positioned from the most significant level of insurance and dependability to the least. You should consistently mean to take out the peril which is the best control. And step 4. Risk control. Control measures that have been implemented must be reviewed and if necessary revised to make sure they work as planned. Coming to the last question, find whether processor level parallelism is available in the element selected. Illustrate cache, coherence and protocol used for handling memory hit or miss. In RX24T processor, level parallelism is not available in the element selected. In PC architecture, cache coherence is the consistency of shared asset information that winds up put away in various nearby stores. At the point when customers in a framework keep up reserves of a typical memory asset, issues may emerge with mixed up information, which is especially the situation with CPU is the multiprocessing framework. In the outline on the right, consider both the customers have reserved duplicate of specific memory abstract from a past trade. Assume the customer on the base updates changes the memory abstract. The customer on the top could be left with an invalid cache of memory with no notice of the change. The user area can be programmed using a flash programmer compatible with the RX24T. MACI protocol. The instruction cache is not used to avoid the variation of the performance whenever executing it by cache hit or miss hit. Even if the instruction set is the same task, the performance might be vary according to hit or miss hit when using cache. It is used by cache of when such a variation is unwelcome. This is the first DA of computer organization and architecture. Thank you.